My name is Rubagumya Aimable. I'm on the first cohort of Open Sky in Rwanda. I was working on the project called Smart Poultry Farming. The farmers who do poultry farm, they didn't have the way they can monitor the parameters available in the coop, such as temperature, humidity, carbon dioxide, ammonia, dust level, and light. So for them, it was difficult for them to monitoring them, so that they're causing a lot of death of chicken, babies, and the old chicken. We're developing for them the IOT solutions, which will help them to monitoring temperature, humidity, carbon dioxide, ammonia, dust level, so that they can monitor them remotely. So our solution we developed the IoT tools which will help the farmer to monitoring such parameters. This is our prototype demonstrations. So let's suppose this is the coop. So we have different sensors, like we have MQ6, which help us to detect the carbon dioxide. We have DHT11 is embedded with two sensors like temperature and humidity. Downward, we have dust level sensor. This sensor will help us to take the parameters of dust. And also we have heater. This is a heater. It helps us to heat the poultry when we have the cold in the poultry. And also we have the light lamp, which help us to light when there are darkness. So this is our demo, the material we use. And also here we have an LCD, which will help the farmers to display or to look the data available in the poultry. Where these sensors collect the parameters inside the poultry, they display it here at this interface. So we have also switch. As you know, these things is automated, while sometimes there's no network. We need to use the analog method, so that we provide for them this switch, which will help the farmers to turn on the light lamp, the heater, and the fan. The system will generate the notification to the poultry farmer, so that they can be aware of what happened in their poultry. We are planning, like in 6 months, to do a final test for our MVP product, because we have finished our prototype while we are not testing our final prototype. We thank Open Sky Fellows and my mentors, Rukundo Jean-Claude, who's supporting me a lot. For all I did is because of him, for their support he's providing for me. Thank you for everyone.